Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make a photo talking video using Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head to canva.com onto your local browser and then sign up for an account. And if you have one already, just log in onto this. So as you can see, we're currently onto the dashboard already. And for us to be able to get started, we need to choose in the template that we want to use. So since we're trying to do a video in here, you should be able to find different types of templates in here that you could use. So we actually have Instagram posts, document logos, and we could see the video in here. So we could create from blank. But if you want to go ahead and try to use other templates, you could simply click on to create a design in here and you could use your own custom size. So let's click onto video in here. Then right after, we'll get redirected onto the editing page. So here, onto the editing page, this is where we're going to go ahead and try to make a photo talking video. So you could try to use onto different templates in here. But for us to be able to begin, you should be able to find that option here under apps. So simply click onto apps and here you should be able to find in different tools that you could use. So here onto the search bar so that it would be easier for us to go ahead and find in the tool, we're going to go ahead and type in AI presenters in here. So this is actually the tool that we're going to use, the DID AI presenters. So if you could see that one already onto your end, you could simply click onto that. But if you're still not yet seeing this, you could search that one here onto the search bar, onto the upper part so that it would be easier for you. So let's simply click onto that. And as you can see, you should be able to see the creator for that, which is the DID plugins team. And you should be able to find in also a preview onto how this one looks like. So this is AI presenters at a click of a button. This will help you create captivating designs with AI presenters, and you could choose an avatar, add text, select language, add a voice, and click generate to go ahead and generate your video. So you could use digital people in sales, marketing, social media, trainings, and many more. So you could also see the permissions that it will ask you. So it will ask you to upload media to Canva on your behalf. And by using this, you should agree to its terms and condition and privacy policy and permission. So to get started, just click on to open to proceed. So as you can see, it is still loading. We'll just need to wait for that. Now this is what you'll see right after it will load. So the first part is to go ahead and choose a presenter. So let's click on to see all. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. So there are male in here, female. There are older ones, younger ones. You'll just need to choose onto which one suits your style. So for example, we want to use someone in here like this girl in here. So you'll just need to simply click onto that. And then right after, once that one is chosen, just head back here. And then you could try to choose the background color for this. So you could choose your own colors here. Just simply click onto that. You could type in the code for the color that you want to use, or you could simply go ahead and drag this just like that. Or you could use the different colors that are offered already in here. So for example, we're going to go ahead and opt for yellow. So you should be able to go ahead and click onto that. And then right after, let's go ahead and enter the text. So this is where you'll type in what they want to say. So for example, you want to go ahead and add in here, hi, welcome to our channel. So let's type that one here. And right after, there is also an option for you to upload audio. So you could go ahead and click onto that. Just go ahead and try to drag and drop the audio that you want to add in here. So these are actually the supported formats for that: MP3, M4A, WAV, or just up to 5 MB. And for best results, you need to upload audio without background noise. So you could also add in your video name in here, and then you could do a preview, and then you could generate for that. So let's try to finish this one first. So we'll try to go ahead and explore the text in here since this one is actually better than the audio in here. Since I think this one will really provide an accurate voice in here since we have the text in here as a guide. So you could actually see this one in here, or there's a note in here to click this icon to add a zero point 0.5 seconds pause. So as you can see, it will add a pause before it will start talking. And you could actually add up to 8,000 characters in here. So you could try to choose the language as well. So if you click onto that, there are a lot of options to choose from. So if you've noticed, there are a lot of English in here. So instead of just the normal English that you have, you could apply different accents such as Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Ireland, India, and many more. So we actually have also Philippines in here. So you'll just need to choose onto which accent you want to use in here. And then right after, you could choose a voice. So since we are actually using a female character, we could try to use Rosa for that. But if we're trying to use the male character, so there is another option, which is James. So as of the moment, as we can see in here, there are actually just two options that we could use. But since we're using a female, we'll use Rosa in here. So you could actually add in a video name also in here. So we could add in photo talking. And once you're already satisfied, you could preview the speech in here before you go ahead and generate. So let's try to do a preview first. So as you can see, it did give a Philippine English accent and also it gives a Rosa voice. So once you're already satisfied with that one, you could go ahead and try to click onto generate in here. But before we generate, you need to sign in for that first. And also take note that there is actually a credit to go ahead and generate for that. So credits are estimated. Actual credit usage depends on the chosen language, voice, and also style. So let's go ahead and click on to sign in to generate, and you need to connect your account to go ahead and use this AI voiceover. So let's simply click on to connect in here. And as you can see, you need to go ahead and create an account to log into DID in here. So if you don't have an account yet, just simply click on to sign up and then follow in the prompts to proceed. So let's try to use Google in here so that it would be easier. And once you have done that, you have successfully connected your DID account. So there should be an option for you to go ahead and click onto the generate button already in here to go ahead and generate your video. You should be able to find in also in here the credits that are available onto your account in here. And you could also visit its pricing in here so that you'll have an idea on how you could buy more credits if you want to use this one. And so let's just click onto this one to go ahead and generate our presenter. And since that one is still loading, as you can see, these are the different pricing or different plans that are available for DID. So you could choose a monthly or annually for that. And this is for the annually in here. You could select different plans. We have trial, we have light, pro, advanced, and enterprise. And this is the pricing for monthly. So we also have trial, light, pro, advanced, and enterprise. So just need to go ahead and select the plan, and you could also see the different options in here or the different inclusions onto each plan. So let's head back in here. I think the video is done. And as you can see, we could see the one in here. We could actually make this one bigger, or you could choose where you want to position this. So you can have this one here onto the bottom part of the screen. You could also go ahead and update the text in here. So let's try to add in another text like goodbye. And then you'll just need to go ahead and generate it again. You could also do a quick preview first before generating just to be sure. So you'll just need to wait for that. And once this one is done, it will automatically do a preview on how it looks like. As you can see, it has updated already. We could remove the other one in here and we could position this one here onto the bottom part. Now, before going ahead and before you want to download this, you could go ahead and update this one first or your video. So you could go ahead and add in your own videos. Just upload that one in here, drag and drop the videos so that you could add it in here onto your slide. But you could also add in some elements in here, such as a background. So let's add backgrounds in here. And you should be able to find in different graphics that you could use here onto your design. So for example, you want to add this yellow one in here. You could just go ahead and right click onto that, set this as a background. You could make this one bigger so that it could go ahead and fit the screen. So you could also edit this video. You have the edit video option here onto the upper part, and you could remove the background for that so that the only one left onto your video is the human in here. So let's just wait for that one to be processed. And once done, let's make this bigger over in here. And if you do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. Welcome to our channel. Goodbye. You could also add in some filters of your video. And once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click on to share, download this, choose in the file type, and click on download again to proceed. And that is just basically it, how you make a photo talking video using Canva. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.